no, it's a horror. Look at this poor little notebook. Look at this. This is my friend's notebook. Whew. That's a relief, not mine. Whew. Okay, so this is what happened. We went out. She had her notebook in her bag. The notebook jumped. It just jumped out of her bag and it landed on my driveway. And then the rain started. We were out for maybe, I don't know, 3.5, maybe 4 hours. And we came back to a poor little sad, saturated notebook. And we're going to try and make it feel a little better. Oh, look, see the bubbling. Oh dear. All right, darlings, this might take a while. We'll keep you updated. Okay, so I went to the ChicSparrow website and I looked up some information and I found on YouTube that I need to take everything out. Done. All right. Now, the very first step is that I have to absorb. Yes, absorb the moisture. So I have cornstarch here, darlings. Let's see if this will help. My friend is probably quite worried right now. Oh my goodness. Oh dear. Let's see if I have. Oh, that's quite a lot of cornstarch. Let's just sprinkle it over a little bit. Okay. Let's see. All right. So I have to just put that on there like that and make sure it's on all the water. Just a minute. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's very messy. Oh dear. La 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 la. Okay, this is not at all sophisticated or even remotely professional, but I don't know. It might work. Let's just get this last little bit here. Here. Make sure it's good and covered. Yes, good and covered. I might be looking for a new notebook. This is a Passport Plus Classic Key West. If anybody has one that they want to just, put to one side for me, just in case this goes awfully and horribly wrong. The dog seems to think that it may, and my tripod is absolutely rubbish right now. Okay. All right, my tripod is my 11-year-old daughter. She's very bad at this. Okay, not at all a professional. Just a second. One more little scrape. Okay. Oh, there's baking, whatever this is, cornstarch all over the place. Oh, I hope this works. Yes, that part is okay. All right, we'll see. Okay, I'll finish this up and I'll see what happens in a little bit. Thank you, darlings. Bye-bye. Well, darlings, it's the next day and I came downstairs and I forgot that I was supposed to video this. So I just knocked off the cornstarch. I just, knocked it off there. And I'm doing this one-handed because all of my tripod holders are still asleep. And frankly, I don't want to get my tripod out. So here we go. It looks right now as if this may have been a successful operation. There's the front, there's the back. I'm going to clean this up. I'm going to get a baby wipe. I'm going to wait a little bit and set my tripod up and get this all taken care of. And we'll show you the finished, hopefully fully restored notebook in a little bit. Okay, thank you, darlings. Bye-bye. Okay, everybody, so now we're at the stage where we have to take care of this notebook and give it a little love so that it gets over its experience of being out in the rain. All right, so there's cornstarch still on the notebook. So I'm going to take a baby wipe and I'm just going to rub that and get that all off. Now, there's some cornstarch on the strings, but that's okay. Let's get this all off, and then we will flip it over and do the same on this side. There we go. Little bits of cornstarch, they'll come right on out in a little bit. Okay, oh, it's already looking like it's better than it was when it was new. Okay, little bits here in the stitching. I need to work on that for a minute. And so once we've done this, we just let it sit for a moment until it's dry. Okay, we'll let it dry now. Okay, so now that's dried off, and I just took the elastic out of the center here. And so the final step, what I'm going to do now, this will just wear off. There we go. What I'm going to do now is get some leather conditioner, and I like this Blick number 4 leather conditioner. It conditions, it cleans, it polishes, and it protects. Yes, it protects. And apparently it will not darken leather, so that's really good. So I'm going to give this a bit of a shake. There we go. Shake, shake, shake. And then I'm just going to dollop it on. I think that's the technical term. Just kind of dollop it on. There we go. And then I will use my little dolloper wiper thingy, and I will just rub it in. And there we go. Just rub that all in. And see, that's where the water was, but it'll be okay. That'll go away. La la la. And then we will flip it over and just get a little on this side too. Just a little. Oops. There we go. Let's adjust my camera. And we will do it a little bit on this side too. Get this. And then, darlings, it undid there a little bit. We will let it dry, and we will see what we have in a few. All right, walking away. Okay, so here we are. This is the final, fully restored, pretty and beautiful Key West. That's right, Key West, Hemingway Key West Passport Plus. See, it looks lovely. It was a tragic story with a happy ending. Not at all like Romeo and Juliet, but kind of, but completely different. But anyway, there we go. Ready to go, and my friend should be very happy. Now, next time, please take better care of your notebook. Thank you, everybody. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.